You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word. We're going to be looking at how to say more confusing words and vocabulary as well in English, like this word. Stay tuned to learn more. So let's break down the 2 correct ways of pronouncing this word. The first phonetical spelling that you can see here is as tissue. T-shoe. Okay, you have a double S, but it's a sh sound. Stress on the first syllable. The second correct way of pronouncing it, and both pronunciations are used both in British English and in American English, is as tissue. 2 different ways of pronouncing correctly this word: tissue or tissue. And now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.